Parkinson. We have started another study on Parkinson with the same group in Madrid and in Florida after documenting cases like that. So that case was documented and published in the scientific literature. It's an attorney. This is 15 years of evolution of Parkinson. At that time, he can no longer write, work with his computer, eat, dress. He puts foods all over the place. He can't walk, but he falls, so he's afraid of walking. So for a number of years, he's no longer walking, so muscle atrophy. So now he's walking with a cane in his room, in his apartment. Outside, he uses a wheelchair. So these two videos were before. All the rest of the videos were 6 weeks after. So you can, if you look carefully, you will see that there's still Parkinson. We have not changed anything to the evolution of the disease itself, but by putting more stem cells in circulation, remember this whole concept of tissue degeneration and replacement of tissues with stem cells. As long as you have enough stem cells in circulation to help rebuild function, then you have greater quality of life. So he has pretty much resumed roughly a normal quality of life.